welcome to Multinet Design. Here we go in our semi-detached building that we have been following for some time now. So in this particular video, we are going to work on Windowhood, create a little bit of expression for it and let it look more unique and familiarized. Then work with the details of section and some other things that are more capable. So let us move on, like we have said. So here we want to work on this one. So you click on this. I want to work on only one so that we'll be able to replicate around the whole family. So how do I do that? So I click on this and say edit family. So in editing the family, I have what I have here, this particular one. So I'm going to click here in the view and say elevations, where I want to work with. So exterior, interior, check it out. So here, when you click on interior, to take you there, this is what you have. If you click on exterior, this will have you there. This is what you have as well. So on these two, you need to do what? So you dedicate all these things to what you have in your mind. So what do you need to do is that you click a new pattern to set it the standard right, or you change the formula to get it done on your own. Remember, as you have done this one, it automatically will update itself on what you have been created. So now you do creating this here, and you say I want to use the sweep, and the sweep I want to sketch parts. So in my part, I'm selecting this auto. So here now I click finish. I want to view the profile. So setting it to come from right. So this is what I do here. So at this side now, this is what I want to do, creating something that will look familiar and more creative. So I'm setting this high. At the same time doing the same thing here as well. I'm creating this in a familiar manner. So I'm breaking this up while I set it up. I have the full details in place. So as I've done this, what I just need to do is to mirror, select only this. Do not select this particular the reference point, because it can be dangerous. So select only that, mirror this one. So as you mirror this, is not there where you're supposed to be. So say move that and say move, so that you'll be able to cover up the place that you need to be covered. So click finish and click finish. So when you click finish that manner, select it back again. Then you click on this and change the material to something that is reasonable. So select the material that you want. Just want to create another one here. So duplicate this material. I change it to Windowhood. Good. So from here you select this, go to graphics, use graphics appearance, and you come here and you select the library. So from the library I want to use default. So in the default I want to just pick this particular white. So I'm using that, I'm giving it what I need to give it. So I'm done with this. Just click on it and save further the system. So let them load up. So can you see everything appear at once? So you don't have to just go ahead and be doing it. Any other modification you want to do, you go like that and modify it. So like what we want to say, let me go back there. I'm going to do some things that I've never done for now. I did this in the family again, and this one is here now. Good. So I want to place some things like a cap on that Windows axis. So I'm doing this one now by pressing extrusion. In my extrusion, I just want to use a line, and the line creating in this manner. Good. So that's how I want to put it. select it this way too. Okay, let me just leave it this way. So I will finish it. I will go to the left side. On the left side, I will extend it to cover and to cover the side as well. So it will be accomplished on the both side of the pipe. So now you click here and see upload. If I write the existing version, you see what will happen. So everything has that particular, you see. So you can edit it again because the editing has never finished. So the category, you did not select any, so select the window. It's here now. I want to reduce this because it's too big for me. So 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6. So take it in a bit. So from there select, and that's all. So you have what you need to have. That is how you edit something in there. What is this say? Come to search. What was our issue? Go back there. Edit. So is it too small, too big? Let me finish. Click upload. Forward. Error occurred from the home placement was automatically resolved, but may require sketch invalid error. Come to search, return it. Or sketch invalid. You have it here, say invalid sketch. So just leave it that way, and that is how it be. So in designing, you face a lot of issue, but do not bother. That is the problem. I'm like giving everybody. Just there is no perfect designer, so you forget and you work on utility. So now let us move to the section. So what you need to do in this section is that you go to view, and then you create your section. Look at the way the one you want your surface part to work to. So when you click that, select it auto, and that is what you do. So here now, this one is showing. So what you just need to do, click on hide and see what we have. So that is not the main thing. So you want to work it out on the, let's edit this and say on the floor line. Like this, you see visibility. So you see, anyway, leave it. That is not the course for now. We will do the detail later on, but let's do face what we want to face. And go to teacher teach you the detail of each and every one of them in the long run. So now what we do here is that we click here and we say go to view. Can you see the kind of shape we are having in our, so we go back there and we take it a little bit back. We go back there and go and see what you have created. Is it the right thing? Go back there again, because we want to show the staircase for this reason. So you need to continue. So this is how you get a working drawing for what you are doing. So all these beds that are here, you can select them as instance in entire project. This one you just need to do what, bring them back, offset, just say minus, let's say 880. So it come down, so everywhere it is in the project. So this is what this one has given, and this is the stair hall, this is the staircase, and this is what we have at this junction. So if you want to continue working with this, this is okay for you to work with. So if you keep like this, now you can decide to now create your own trusses. So that is what you create in this place, but trusses is not what we want to create here. So we just want to tell you how to cross section and create section for the building. So that's one section you have here. You click down again, you did another cross section, the working. So you click that and you click here through. Everything is going to join with what have something to do with your staircase, because that is your main surface. So now you go back there and say, so you see the way this staircase form. So that is how it form. So you work with these ones now. So anywhere you know that when you do the trusses, you don't want to detail this. So later you now work on the details of this particular section. So we are done with this. So if you're on your door too, you can actually do the editing the way we did in that particular one. So how do we work on this door? Is that you click here, you don't do it on, so you click on it and go to elevation. On the elevation, click on front. So you have this one. So you can decide to mirror this. Let's say mirror. So you have it that way. So to create more pattern, you can do like offset. And you say offset like 100. Yes. So you do offset with repetition, you do offsets, and you do offset. So delete this. So with that, you can now break everything into pure instance. So what we do here is that you select this and you begin to trim. Select this, begin to trim. So you do the same thing here. Select this and trim. Select this, trim. So you have that pattern to work with anytime, any day. So that is what to create from here. So you can now upload it and say in the Semidetached, that's where I want it to be there. So override the existing fashion and the pattern changes. So everywhere you have that one, a door, everything changes to the same pattern all over again and again. So that is how you work on embellishment, so that you not be doing everything one after one and be taking it as since you are working on the single model for now. So that is what we want to create, and that is what we have created. Kindly subscribe to this channel if you are new, and continue to work with us, and make sure that you join hand by sharing our design